everybody, it's Lynn from Subparplanning Planning. How are you today? Hope everything's going well wherever you are. This is a completely non-planner related video. Sometimes I do them. I don't do them very often, but if it's something that's kind of like a passion of mine or something that I really like, I might throw up a video. So you might see like a bag video here and there, or like a shoe video, more specifically sneakers. I've always loved sneakers. I actually would rather wear a pair of really cool sneakers than a pair of really nice shoes. That's just kind of how I've always been. So any kind of different sneakers or shiny sneakers or fun sneakers, usually I will try to get my hands on them. And so interestingly enough, I was just kind of perusing the internet the other day, and I happened to come upon sneakers by Tretorn. I think that's the proper pronunciation. It is a Swedish brand, so it might be a little bit different, but I digress because I don't really know. So anyways, if you are an individual of a certain age, you actually might remember these sneakers were fairly popular back like in the mid to late 80s. I believe it was a tennis sneaker originally, but where I was growing up, these were super popular, and we all had the white sneakers, and we all had the little swoosh that was like a different color. My favorite color was blue, so I always had the ones with the blue swoosh, and I wore those things through the dirt. The other ones that I had that I've always loved are Stan Smiths. I always have a pair of Stan Smiths in my house. I always wear my Stan Smiths. I have a very old pair of Stan Smiths that I've had for about 2 years that are finally starting to get broken and really nice. Actually, I'll show you those really quick if you want to see them. They're pretty nasty. But they're amazing, and I love them, and I wear them all the time, and even though they look like crap, people still like my Stan Smiths. They are a metallic, kind of limited edition kind of Stan Smith, and I am not afraid to wear these. I pretty much wear them every day. They look like crap, but they are awesome. That's like my go-to shoe. Like, that's what you'll find me wearing every day. So anyways, those are my Stan Smiths. I love them dearly. I will always have a Stan Smith. I'll probably be buried in a pair of Stan Smiths if I had my way. So those are the kinds of sneakers that I like. I like the sneakers that I used to have when I was a kid. I think it's probably some nostalgia in there. And I just like the way they look. They're comfortable. I could wear the sneakers for 24 hours straight and my feet will never get sore. Don't know why. Other sneakers I always have a problem with. So anyway, so I thought I'd do a quick little unboxing of these. And if this isn't the correct, I probably should look up how to properly pronounce it, but I always pronounced it Tretorn or Tretorn. So really quick though, I'll just show you. I busted out my planner cover and my planner, and I threw on my book, my little book cover, because it's just easier to kind of keep everything, and it keeps the planner secure and flat. And then I'll just show you the charms that I made this week. These were all charms that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. So what I did was I just made my paper clips. This is how I do them. I actually do them with a thing. Whoops, sorry about that. I actually do them with a loop because I don't want these plants to fall off, the charms to fall off. I think people who put the planner charms and they just kind of loop it through so it comes out on the top loop, that's fine. I mean, because it still stays, but this isn't going anywhere. It's never going to come off this paper clip. So unless I lose the paper clip, I'm not going to lose my charm. So that's kind of how I roll. It's not easy to do it this way, and it takes some work, but I think the end result is worth it because, like I said, my planner charms, they don't go around. They're not going to slide up and down. That really kind of bothers me. So that's what I did with all of them. This is the cloud that I got from Hobby Lobby. I just put some Swarovski crystals on there to give it a little bit of bling. And then this is the fortune cookie one. So now they're just all kind of like in my planner, and I kind of like it like that. So that's the front of my planner now. And then this is just a Nook book cover that I got from Books A Million, and it's awesome because I could literally put my phone in here and carry this around if I wanted to. I could put a little teeny tiny card holder in here, and that could be my wallet. So if I really wanted to just go to a store and just run some errands and I wanted to take my Happy Planner, I can do it. So that's kind of how I have it set up right now. Because, you know, I always got to throw something planner related in my video. So anyways, let's get to this unboxing of this sweet ass pair of Tretorns that I actually don't know if I'm going to be able to wear these because they're just actually so pretty that I kind of almost don't want to. So with that being said, let me move this candle so I don't burn my house down. I'll just put it right there next to the other highly flammable items because, you know, that makes sense. And I think I'll just probably move this out of the way. Okay, here we go. So this is how it arrived, and I will put a link down. I purchased this off of Amazon. It was the same price as it was on the Tretorn website, but I believe on the website itself, on the actual company's website, they were sold out. They still had these in stock in Amazon. And so this is them. They are a rainbow multi-hued sneaker. So as you can see, the color shifts. It gradates from purples, blues, and greens down to reds, pinks, and orange. White base. You can see the Tretorn logo on there. You can see the Tretorn logo here. They fit fairly true to size. These are 7.5. I can wear a shoe anywhere between, I mean, honestly, I kid not, I can wear a shoe anywhere from 6.5 to an 8.5. It just depends on who makes them. Depends on the shoe. So I bought a 7.5 because that's generally my go-to. These are not leather. These are synthetic. So I think over time as you wear them, they probably will crack a little bit and they'll start to flake off. The Stan Smiths that I have are actually leather. Those are not a synthetic. Which is why the leather, where it creases where I walk, it's a crease, not a crack. And here is the other one. So left foot, right foot. There they are. And they are really cool. They're really pretty. And I think they're a lot of fun. I mean, I think these would be pretty baller if I was riding around town on my scooter. These will definitely get some attention and they will be fairly reflective. I'm always thinking of like what I can wear while I'm on my scooter that's reflective, that's going to get people's attention. So this is how they come. They come laced up pretty good. I usually change the lacing design. I usually have some kind of, you know, I'll do like a ladder, or I'll do diamonds or something. So I'll probably lace them up. Somehow. But I just wanted to throw this quick video up so you could see. This is the Tretorn. It's the Camden7. This is the size 7.5 in the Rainbow Multi white vintage. And I will show you the box. So if this is really something that you want or you like the way it looks and you want to rock your own pair, you'll be able to. So this is the box it came in. And this is the information. So it's the Camden7 Rainbow Multi Vintage White Synthetic. This is not leather. Size 7.5. And like I said, Amazon.com, because they still had them. So there you go. That is the Camden7 by Tretorn, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a little quickie just to throw up, so you guys know that I'm still kicking around. And I hope this finds you well. And remember, what do I always say? What do I always say to you guys? That's right. Remember, you are loved. You were loved. You were wanted, and you deserve to be here. And don't ever let anyone tell you different. So I just hope this finds you well. See you guys later. Bye. Deuces. Bye.